1 by 4 power x equals 16. To solve the given problem, we will use the laws of exponents. One power x by 4 power x equals 16. Since 1 raised to any power is 1, we can simplify. 1 by 4 power x equals 16. Using the negative exponent rule. Four power negative x equals 16. Now we express 16 as a power of 4. So 4 power negative x equals 4 square. When the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. Negative x equals 2. Solving for x. So x equals negative 2.